Hi, Andrew here. We're about to see Green Eyes, which is a staging of a Tennessee Williams play inside a hotel room.
We're at the Hudson Hotel right now going up the escalator.
Which is green. Do you think that they designed it green because they knew that Green Eyes would be here?
I think that's why they're doing it.
That's probably why. Aaron Markey has that kind of pull.
It's part of Coil's, PS122's Coil Festival, and it's 30 minutes long, and it takes place in a hotel room.
And we're horribly backlit right now.
What more do you want?
Well, I have high hopes because I really like Aaron's
Okay,
work.
get ready.
I'm a fan of hers.
Get ready. Step off.
All right, let's do this. Here we go. We're stepping into the unknown.
We'll see you after the show.
Wow.
So we just got out of the show at the Hudson Hotel, and I have to say, the moment Erin walked into the room, she brought electricity with her. She's absolutely a doll. She's mesmerizing to watch in this.
Yeah, Aaron Markey is a national treasure, and
Which nation?
ooh. But I do have to say that and I feel like this is the kind of thing that I kind of want to recommend to tourists because it's the sort of thing that you really can only get here in New York, and it's such a unique experience. But on the whole, I feel like there was a lack of good direction, or I think that's what it was. I feel like the direction fell apart because when a story is told like this, like when you're plopped down halfway into the story, you need to be given more to work with. You can't have so many silences and so many pauses, and I felt like that really detracted for me.
It's a Tennessee Williams play, short play, 35 minutes long, takes place in a hotel room, and that's why they're doing it here at the Hudson. My biggest criticism would be, the Hudson Hotel is a very trendy, cool hotel. These people were sort of white trash in New Orleans. It should have been taking place in a dive hotel,
Yeah, but
in a seedy hotel.
But
because
all of New York has been gentrified.
Because
There's nowhere like that.
the best part is like when we were waiting in the hotel lobby, seeing people walk by, transients. Who's this woman? Who's that guy?
Oh, is she part of the play?
Is she part of the play?
Is that part of it?
And it would have been so much more exotic if it was an actual seedy, run-down, dirty roach motel where people go to have sex.
You have to do that in Williamsburg, I guess.
I would, you know,
Or maybe the Jane Hotel.
It's a really tough ticket to get, so I would highly recommend seeing it. It's interesting. Also,
you kind of just see it just to see it.
Yeah.
It's a thing. It's an event.
Also, Aaron Markey is a wonderful actor in this role, and we've seen her do a lot of avant-garde, sort of like downtown performance artist stuff.
And silly stuff.
But this is like Tennessee Williams.
This is serious.
And she can pull it off.
Yeah.
So hats off.
And she pulls all of it off.
All of it. Don't sit on the front row. Andrew, speaking of Green Eyes, playing at the Hudson Hotel, of all places, for Under the Radar and PS122.
One more thing.
The show also featured audio and lighting cues. It would have been interesting if it would have taken place in a hotel without any lighting, without any music, just straight like we were actually watching two people in a real hotel room.
This one more thing would be really interesting if it took place in a place that wasn't a train that had so much noise on it that you couldn't hear us.
You can hear us.
You can't hear us.
Yeah, you can.